So apparently this gentleman went into the bank and wasn't too impressed with what was going on. He wanted to get some stuff done, and they were telling him he had to do it this way and that way, and he pulled his gun. He wasn't too impressed. He says he became disgruntled and boisterous when a teller told him that he had to fill out a form under the Proceeds of Crime Act, and he didn't want. So apparently they're saying in the manner in which he brandished the firearm may constitute a breach of the Firearms Act, but said that a decision will be taken after investigations have been completed.
Breaches the Firearms Act.
Yeah, but I never know you can. If you see the little red circle there, I didn't know you were allowed to just pull your gun in a public
You are not. That's what I mean. It breached the act.
I keep telling you now.
And brandish it meaning in a threatening way. You know what I'm saying? Not that you're trying to protect yourself. You're using it to intimidate someone.
I don't want to listen to me. I tell you, it's just police.
In Jamaica?
It's just security force alone must have gun. Because we're not too aggressive. So you go in the bank, you don't get where you want, and you pull your gun?
That's ridiculous.
More than ridiculous. And people are about and sure.
That's what I'm saying. It could have gotten worse, you know. I said to somebody this morning, what if it was a security team that were just very anxious
them pull them gun,
and then pull for them gun. And there are people in the bank hall, and no, it does constitute. It puts people.
If the story that we read is in fact the way it went, then they must take away your gun from you. You don't deserve to have it. Because that don't make no sense to me. That don't make any sense.
Head too hot.
Maybe the story is not the way it was reported, and I accept that. But if it is the way it reported, so them tell you full out of farm, and you get so annoyed that, sure. This is not good news either.
No. Oh boy. A third taxi operator has been shot dead in the corporate area in just over a week. He was about to drive from premises on Conway Avenue in Doheny Park when he was approached by a gunman who fired several shots, hitting him multiple times. Last week, 63-year-old Michael Swaby was shot dead in Three Oaks, and 2 days later, another taxi operator was murdered along Dunrobin Avenue by two passengers and pushed from his vehicle onto the road. We tend to have these spurts, you know, when they take set on taxi men.
Yep.
And boy, in as much as we have to be careful when we're taking taxis to make sure that they're legitimate operators. Taxi drivers, I don't know how, but this is crazy.
Yeah, well, I don't like how them drive, but you can't do that to them. We're not supporting that at all. So the taxi drivers themselves, they all have to be careful too.
Wow.
All right.
In over a week?
3 of them.
That's cause for concern.
Yep. This one now, for the first time in 131 years, the Salvation Army Caribbean Territory will be led by Jamaicans, husband and wife, I think. Lieutenant Colonel Devon Horton and Lieutenant Colonel Verona Horton have both been promoted to the rank of commissioner. Devon now serves as Chief Secretary of the Salvation Army Caribbean Territory, and Verona is a territorial secretary for women's ministries. I suspect it's husband and wife, though.
36 years they've been married.
Great.
Nice.
This is the first time. Lieutenant.
I don't know if it's nice.
Lieutenant Colonel Devon was born in Portland. He's a graduate of Portland High School, and his wife.
Born in St. Catherine, but spent her formative years in Buff Bay. I was saying I don't know if it's nice because it means that even when they're home, they're going to be doing Salvation Army work.
Well, I guess they do that now.
But
my father's from Buff Bay.
Kudos to them.
Yeah. Congrats.
To them.
Brilliant.
Yes.
My father is from Buff Bay.
Really?
And my mom is from Christiana.
Buff Bay and Christiana? So,
No, actually.
Pabel, find Mabel.
You know, maybe them there pass. He must
True
be
St.
Christiana,
Catherine?
and she have go Buff Bay and them see each other on the bus or something. You know, to be honest, I don't know my mother meet my father. You know your...
Yes.
Oh, me don't know. All right, and instead to get new drug service pharmacy. All right, that's the fourth one.